Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week has been off to an amazing start, and I hope you all are in good health. So today, you guys, I'm in my family room and I'm getting ready to redecorate this space as well as clean it and just get it prepared for the holidays. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Trina. I love to share interior styling on this channel. I do a lot of decorating and I also do some cleaning videos. So if you enjoy that content, I would love to have you stay and subscribe and become part of our decorating family here. And to all of my beautiful subscribers, hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, and thank y'all for stopping by and watching another video. You have been with me for a while. You already know that we have done several changes to our home. So this is one of the last rooms that we need to kind of revamp. So this space here, this is what this room used to look like before I decided to go ahead and change up the style just a little bit. So I did purchase some new furniture pieces for this room, but before I bring in those new pieces, I wanted to just try to deep clean the area and get everything all nice and clean before I bring in those new furniture pieces. You see me doing here is just cleaning my blinds. So these blinds have not been cleaned in a while because, like I showed you in the previous clip, I originally had a sectional on this room. So that sectional took over a large amount of this space. So that sectional was kind of blocking part of that window. So this is my first time actually getting in there and being able to deep clean those blinds like I wanted to, as well as the baseboards and everything like that. So this Mrs. Meyer spray that I'm using is a multi-purpose spray, and then this is in the scent Snowdrop, and it smells amazing. I always get a lot of questions regarding the paint color that's on my wall. So my entire house has that black and gray color scheme to it. So the color that I have on my walls and throughout my whole house is the same color. It's Silver Bullet by Behr, and it's in a flat finish. So I absolutely love it because it's actually a true gray, because you know some grays can vary depending on the lighting, depending on the undertone. So this is actually a true gray, so it fits perfectly for my space. Now that I'm done cleaning my baseboards, I'm just going to take my vacuum cleaner and go ahead and vacuum my floor so I can get ready to steam mop. Now, I know some of you have asked me regarding the vacuum cleaners that I use throughout my home. So this one here is one of them, and this is a Dyson, and it's the G7, I believe. So it's a cordless vacuum cleaner. It works really good. I love this one. I just wish that it had a longer battery life. So I think the battery lasts for about maybe 30 minutes. Then I'll also use my Shark Rocket, which I absolutely love. It's just that it's not cordless, but they both are really good vacuum cleaners. So my floors are a porcelain tile. I know a lot of you think that they are hardwood, but they are really porcelain wood look tile, and I absolutely love it. It's because it gives me the look of hardwood without the maintenance of it. So I do live down here in the South, and sometimes it does flood. So porcelain is a really good alternative for people that live in an area where you're prone to hurricanes. It's just low maintenance and it's just really easy to maintain. And I've been using this steam mop for maybe about 3 years now, and I absolutely love it. It's by the brand Shark. So it's just really a really good steam mop. So it usually comes with like 2 mop pads, but you can purchase the mop pads separate from like Target or I believe even Walmart. So yeah, it's really good steam mop. And then you don't, like I said, you just add water and it just steams your floor. So everything that I have a link to, I'll try to link it down in the description box below for you guys.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that you don't know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. No, I thought I should let you know that you don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. We don't know. No, it's no more.
Okay, so now that I'm done with the cleaning, I'm just going to go ahead and start decorating, which is the fun part. So I found this artwork here from Home Goods. I just love the nice neutral color tone that it has in there. So I decided to hang this on the wall. So I do have some molding, and my husband actually DIY'd himself. So I just wanted something to kind of fit in this space where it wouldn't take over the molding. So I'm going to also add in these Asper tapered candle holders that I got from Z Gallery. I had these in my closet for a while, so I wanted to kind of hang them up and find a home for them. But I think I'm going to end up placing them over here on the side of this cutout.
I was so sure, let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that.
So one problem I always have faced with this room is how to position the furniture, because this room is a little oddly shaped because we do have a cutout along one wall, and then we also have one wall that has a window. So it's kind of a awkward kind of space to decorate. So I definitely have to be real particular on the furniture pieces that I select for this room and trying to place them in a way that it'll be more comfortable. So I did pick up a new rug. So this rug is from Boutique Rugs, and I'll have it linked down in the description box below if you guys are interested. But this rug actually has the same color pattern that it has inside the artwork. So it has some ivory, some grays, some dark navy blue, and then a light kind of pale color blue, and then also has a little bit of that dark kind of goldish tan color as well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take my vacuum cleaner and just vacuum the rug and try to get it as flat as possible before I start bringing in my furniture. So because of the placement of our TV, and then also because of how this room is shaped, I wasn't able to get 2 side tables along the side of my sofas. Now the sofa that I'm going to add into this room is like 93 or 96 inches long, so it's very long. So I decided instead just to add a sofa table underneath this picture. That way it'll give me the space to add in my table lamps instead of having them on 2 side tables. So the table I did pick up from Home Goods. It has a wood top and then a wooden base, and then it also has like kind of like brass silverish colored legs. Then also I found these lamps from Home Goods as well. It does come with a USB port on the lamps itself, so you'll be able to charge up your devices. I just liked it because it has an irregular shape, and then it's white, and then it just added a really nice touch to this space.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear.
Now, I've gotten so many questions regarding my sofa that I have in my main living room area. And this sofa here can definitely be a dupe to that sofa. So I was looking for something that was gonna kind of be similar to the one that I had in the living room because I like my rooms to flow. So this one is the Maryland sofa, and I purchased this one from Lamps Plus. The cushions are down feathered, and then also the throw pillows are down feathered as well. But it has a nail-headed beading around the frame of the sofa as well. The legs are black. This one, the only difference is the shape is a little bit more different, and then the color is like a light ivory color, more on the whiter side than ivory. So yeah, so I absolutely love this sofa. It's super comfortable, and it was just giving me the modern look that I was looking for this space. Now, I do have kids because I always get those questions, and they say, how can you have light furniture, or your house is so glam and then you have kids? I do have kids, so yeah, so I just make sure that I Scotch card all of my furniture and just make sure I protect it as much as I can. That way I can get the longevity out of it. Now, I did purchase this little coffee table from the At Home store. This one is really cute as well. It has like a glass top, and then it also has a mirrored base, and it was really affordable, and it was just the right size for this family room. So I ordered some accent chairs for this space. I actually ordered them from Ashley Furniture or Ashley Home Store, and I've been waiting for about 4 weeks for those chairs to come in, and they still haven't came in yet. So I brought these chairs from my living room just to have some extra seating. These are from Wayfair, but I kind of like them in here. So I think that when I get the new chairs, whenever they come in, I'll go ahead and add those to the living room. But they're just a pair of wingback chairs, and then they are both ivory as well. So as you can see, that's kind of the color scheme that I got going on throughout my house. Like all of my furniture pieces are ivory. So I'm just taking my vacuum cleaner and I'm just kind of vacuuming out the cushions on this sofa.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you.
Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and add in my plants. These are some live plants that I had around the house. I'm just going to add it to this little ledger here. Then also, since I'm getting ready to decorate for Christmas, I decided to add my Christmas tree in here as well. So I wanted to put my Christmas tree by the window this year, so I decided to add it over there by the window. So I've been enjoying just having a tree just kind of naked so far without putting any ornaments or anything on it just yet. But my tree is from the At Home store, and the tree collar is from Target. So yeah, so please stay tuned and make sure you have your notification bell turned on so you don't miss my uploads, because I have a lot of Christmas content that I'm so excited to share with you all. So next week we'll be getting ready to start our Christmas decorating, and I will be decorating this tree with you guys. So on my coffee table, I just kept it simple. I just added a coffee table book and then a bowl with some moss balls. And then also I'm lighting one of my favorite candles, which is called Leaves. And then, yeah, that's by Bath & Body Works. So I'm just going to add in this little sofa, or this little table here is a set of nesting tables that I got from the Magic Home collaboration. I'm just going to add it to the side of this chair. And then I'm just going to add a little plant there. So this is how everything is looking so far. So the throw pillows that's on my sofa, 2 of the ivory ones came with the sofa, and then the other ones came from Home Goods. Now I did find this room's freshener from Home Goods as well. This is by DW Home. This is called Sage Pumpkin and it smells amazing. It almost smells like cinnamon and then a Christmas tree smell as well. So I've been spraying this throughout my house and then also spraying a little bit on my trees, getting it all ready for Christmas. So this is what the room is looking like so far, you guys, and I absolutely love how it has turned out. I just like this setup better. I enjoy having my sectional for the last 6 years, but I wanted to change it up because it just took over the whole space. I wanted to make the room a little bit more open and a little bit more free. I'll be able to have more opportunities to change out the furniture and change it up as far as decorating in the future without being stuck with just that one sofa that I had previously with the sectional. So these throw pillows, I think I shared with you all in my fall haul. I got those from Target. And then I'm just going to give you a close-up of this rug. So the rug actually has in some of the gold tones of that pillow as well. So on the fireplace here, I am going to keep it simple. I'm just going to add in, actually I'm just going to add in all of the stuff that I had on my entryway table because I'm getting ready to change that area and decorate it for Christmas. So yes, I thought I'll go ahead and bring these items in here just to place them for now until I get ready to decorate this space. So my fireplace insert is a DIY that my husband actually DIY'd. So I wanted to give you guys an overview of how the entire room looks. So my family room is open to my kitchen, so it's one big open space. So I really do love this layout a lot better than versus having just one section. I think it really just opens up the space and just makes the room a whole lot brighter. So yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel a lot. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.